know if you guys can see this. I don't know if the light is really good. It's really bad in here, the light, but I thought she was dead. That dog never, ever, ever lays outside of that bed like that. It must be hot in here. She's always super cold and cuddled in her blankets. But when I came near her, I heard her tail moving, like drumming away under the blanket. She's alive! I'm so happy. She's so crazy. Roxy! Don't scare Mama like that. Crazy dog. Look at her ear. Get that off your head. Get it. She's licking her butt. That means she peed herself on my sofa. I have to wash that thing almost like once a week. It's actually her chair. That's why I don't care. That is the dog's chair. That's her her ottoman. Oh, Roxy. She might just be doing that just to do it. What you doing, baby? Go lay down. Go on.